What's up, everybody? I know you haven't seen this wagon for a little bit. It's my 81 Ford Fairmont wagon, 5-liter T5 swap. Just got it here because we got some plans for it, and had to come back for that. Have to do with that over there, but we'll get more into that when it's a little bit closer. Should be fun. But right now I thought I'd do a nice little cold start for you. Got a old battery in here from the junkyard, the $20 special, so we'll see if it has enough charge to even fire it up. Let's see what we got. Make sure neutral. Got some charge. Give it a couple pumps. There you go. I'm gonna pop the head. Let's get some of that sound from out back. Cheeching a little bit, but it fires up real nice when it's not been sitting for months like you guys have seen before. I think it's been sitting for 2 days now, so it's not a big deal. But you can see, well, it has good oil pressure now. When it's warm at idle, it's more like 5 psi. So that's why I have plans for it. But they're gonna also make it a lot better anyways. Should make for more of a fun car. I always wanted to have it more like a, it's a bit of a sleeper, but it's a little too loud. So I wanted a little quieter. Have AC. You see, here's the engine. Poly carburetor. You gotta rebuild all the time, but I haven't rebuilt that in 6 years, so I don't know what the hell everyone's talking about. Terrible junkyard battery, but nice run car. So I'm gonna pull this out of here so we can get the truck back here and do a junk run. But that is the 81 Ford Fairmont station wagon. Runs great. Hopefully I haven't covered the microphone for the whole video.